Welcome to another episode of this training. In this training, we are going to move to a new segment for this course, and in this segment, we are going to be treating SolidWorks assembly. SolidWorks assembly is a platform in SolidWorks which gives you the chance to create a system from different components. So for instance, this is what I call a system. A system comprises of different components that are drawn separately and are joined together to form a system. So this thing you see over here is represented in this 2D, and in order to achieve this system, you must ensure that you draw this particular component. So all these components must be drawn in order to achieve that. So at this point in SolidWorks, I believe that you must have had the experience to draw your own model. But nevertheless, I'm going to do my own so that you can follow some steps, because probably there might be an item that you need to know to achieve all this particular model. So I'm just going to jump straight to SolidWorks and let's do this one at a time. Now in my SolidWorks, I'm going to select a plane. So now from this, looking at this, this is the 2D representation. Now the first thing you do is I'm going to draw my rectangle. So and from our material, we could see that this place is 200, and then this side should be 100. Then extruded to 30. millimeter, of course. So having done that, now from this model we could see something new. This kind of geometry is actually what you see here. So it's called chamfer. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to go to this section which is called fillet. Underneath there's an arrow below. You click it, you'll see something called chamfer. Now chamfer makes sure that all these sharp edges can now be given given some little touch to get some curve, or let's say some slanty surface, so that it should not be sharp any longer. So from our specification, we could see that this particular point, it gives us 10 millimeter times 45 degree. So that is, every part of this place have the same dimension, and also this circle too has its own dimension by 5 times 45 degrees. So in SolidWorks, I'm going to show you what it means. Now this is all the parts that I'm going to mark. So by default we have 10 millimeter with 45 degree. So after doing that, I'll just click here, and then this is what we get. This is as simple as that. We have achieved this section. Now I'm going to draw my circle. so I'll make this as my plane, then go to your circle. I will ensure that I draw my construction line. This is a construction line from here to this section, so that our work will be centralized. So I'll just draw 3 distinct circles, and then I'm going to customize it later on. Now for my episode, you could see that each circle has their different component, right? So the first one is 15, 30 and 45. So smart dimension, $15, 30, 45. And this circle are given some kind of space, that is the distance from this circle to the wall is 25. The distance from this circle to the next circle is 50 and 75 respectively. So I'm taking it from here to this center, to this center, to this, from this wall. So I'm going to give it 25. 25. From this center point to this other one is going to be 50, 50, and then from this section to this section is going to be okay, from here to here is going to give us 75. Now we're going to extrude cut. Now you could see that our model is done, but one more thing left. We are going to give this place another chamfer of 5 millimeter and 45 degree. So we could select any of these parts. So I'm going to go to my fillet chamfer and then select this circle as it has been highlighted over here. I'll move down, then I'm going to change this to 5. Now we can see that our model is completed, right? So now we can see that our model is completed. So now the next thing is to go to the next item to build, that is this particular section, this particular model. So I'm going to go to my Solidworks. First of all, I'm going to save this model, give it part A. Let's select part A, part A.